what's on my mind, I guess. This is an A model short hood. Has the buckets in it and stuff, but pretty good shape. So everything around it seems to be in okay shape. It's definitely a used hood. Paint's flaking off. Tire, you got your typical rock chips. But like I said, the headlight bezel areas are clean. Brackets here from my fuel tank, but they're all I think in pretty good shape to be overall. Like I said, you might have to work a little bit on it somewhere here and there. I never really looked it over that hard. It just looked like it was in decent shape and picked it up. If you guys want it, anybody wants it, let me know. Shoot me just a reasonable offer. Put it in the comment section. I'll help you load it. Whatever, but it's for sale. If anybody wants it, short hood, A model, have at it. Let me know what you want to pay in the comments. Hey, good morning. It is Sunday, June 16th. Yesterday would be Saturday, Friday, Saturday, both days we went and got them rear ends. So rear ends are up at the shop. We are gonna go unload them right now. Just kind of antsy, ready to play with it. We had a good trip. Everything went fine. On the way out, about 3 hours in, we blew a tire, so we had to unload the machine on the side of the turnpike, lift the trailer up, put the spare on, load it back up, keep going. About an hour downtime, so it wasn't that bad. But anyhow, everything's up there, went pretty smooth. And I just figured I'd grab the camera and record us unloading it and looking at it and see what we're gonna do. So here we go, on to the shop. So I'm gonna pull into the shop. I'm gonna show you the view of what it looked like start to finish. Here we go. That's it. That's the Big Mac. Now it's time to go analyze, look it over, and go play. At least it ain't raining. Well, here they are. Okay, so there's a couple things I noticed on this truck is the leaves here. They're not as heavy duty as mine. I have another spring in there, so we're gonna use mine on that part. Also, the rear ends are 355 gears. The ones I had were 411s. So I'm going to use these rear ends. I'm going to use these pieces in the back, these cast pieces I needed, and maybe another part or two here and there. But other than that, that's it. I think that's pretty much it, because the frame is slightly different. I have to burn all these bolts. They would have to slide into that Peterbilt, or I'm sorry, that Kenworth. So I'm gonna have to slide these frame rails into the Kenworth, which means I gotta burn all these bolts off. And I'm not really, I don't know yet. Not really sure how to approach this. Not really sure what I want to do with it. Not sure if I just want to take the rear ends off of here and put them on the brand, like that frame I have laying over there, and just bolt it up and be done, or just burn these bolts off, slide it through that frame, and rebolt it. I'm not real sure. So prettiest thing in the world, but it's off the ground. So, got room. I'm gonna disconnect everything real quick. Now, experienced, smart person. At a time, you don't put your hands in places they don't be when something breaks. Yeah, that's what I meant by it's not ugly, or it is ugly, but it'll work. Bent the fork a little bit. Kind of screwed them up, but you know what? That's in a good spot. That's perfect. That track looked like it was going over, didn't it? That wasn't a good spot to be in. But I wasn't letting it roll over that hill. And yeah, the brake was on, but it's off. I'm safe. Alright, well this guy's off and came off good shape still. Didn't hurt nothing, luckily. Time to clean everything up, which isn't bad. I hate humidity on a warm day. Hate it. It will make me sweat before I even get out of bed. But that's it for right now. I'm gonna probably look into this either later tonight or after work tomorrow, see what we can do. But I'm so excited to put this behind that truck and see how it looks. I hit my country. Tons of trucks there, awesome looking trucks actually. But it was a good show. I seen some good ideas of some other Kenworths that had some nice stretches with some bunks on it. I seen an old R model Mack, had a good stretch to it. Didn't really care for the guy. Didn't really care to talk. It seemed like he was like pulling information out of his teeth. Why do you go to a truck show if you don't care to talk about your truck, right? Like, just go leave it in the fucking garage then. Sorry. I hate that though, you know? It's like you spend years building your truck, somebody asks about it, and it's like, it's so hard to just get it out and tell them what you did. Okay, so, anyhow, really excited to get these up and going. I really just want to see it stretched and see, I just want to see a pair of axles or rear end sitting here. I just want to see what it looks like. So, it's good to worry about that because it keeps your drive going, keeps you doing something, keeps it getting it done. So, thanks for watching. Glad we were all safe today. Me. I was safe today. Could have been pretty ugly, not gonna lie. But it's off, it's done. Time to move forward. Thanks for watching.